On the sun-kissed shores of Negril, Jamaica, a group of 10 spirited friends, Lucille, Beryl, Sissy, Island, Cassie, Doris, Tracy, Joyce, Colette, and Lamar, spent their days dreaming beneath the swaying palms. They were inseparable, their laughter echoing through the tropical breeze. One day, while lounging on the beach, they stumbled upon an entrepreneurial idea that would change their lives forever, creating a lip gloss line infused with the essence of Jamaica. "Imagine if we could bottle the beauty of our island!" Lucille exclaimed, her eyes sparkling with excitement. The others quickly chimed in, each bringing their unique talents to the table. Beryl's knack for design, Sissy's flair for marketing, Island's love for color, and Cassie's passion for natural ingredients. They all agreed they would create lip gloss that represented the vibrant culture and beauty surrounding them. The first hurdle was sourcing natural ingredients. Doris, who had a green thumb, led expeditions to gather shea butter, coconut oil, and local fruit extracts. Tracy took charge of blending and formulating, testing flavors that ranged from mango to sorrel. Joyce's artistic visions came to life as she sketched the chic packaging, adorned with the rich colors of the Jamaican flag. "Let's call ourselves Island Glow," Colette suggested one warm afternoon. Everyone cheered, the name perfectly capturing their essence. They pooled their savings and, one bright morning, set up a stall at the local craft market. But the road to success wasn't smooth. Initially, their lip glosses were a hard sell, overshadowed by well-established brands. Sissy stepped up, leveraging social media by posting vibrant photos with her friends, showcasing not just the products but the joy and connection they shared as a group. Slowly, their message resonated, and word began to spread. Before long, their booth was buzzing with customers. Women were drawn not just to the glosses, but to the camaraderie and joy that enveloped the stall. "It's not just lip gloss, it's a feeling," Tracy would say, as they served customers with smiles. As their brand grew, so did their friendship. Their late-night brain spark sessions morphed into heart-to-heart talks, while mixing new glosses in Beryl's kitchen. They celebrated each small victory as if it were a festival, from first orders to positive reviews pouring in from satisfied customers. One fateful day, they received an email that would change everything. A major beauty influencer wanted to feature Island Glow in her upcoming summer collection. The news sent shockwaves of excitement through the group. With laughter and joyful tears, they prepared for the opportunity of a lifetime. The influencer's post exploded on social media, leading to an influx of orders that took them by surprise. They worked tirelessly, hand-pouring glosses and packaging with care. Although exhausting, the thrill of fulfilling orders and seeing their dreams blossom kept them motivated. In a year's time, Island Glow wasn't just a small stall anymore. It had transformed into a full-fledged brand, celebrated for its natural ingredients and vibrant colors inspired by the Jamaican landscape. The friends reveled in their success, grateful for the unbreakable bond that had brought them together in the pursuit of a shared dream. As they stood on the beach, watching the sunset paint the sky, Lucille raised a coconut drink and declared, "To friendship and the bright future ahead." The group cheered, knowing that their journey was just beginning. With each new gloss they created, they captured not only the essence of Jamaica, but also the deep bond of their friendship, forever intertwined in their Island Glow empire.